Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do snowman using beads. For this, we have taken different colors of beads and a thread. So now let's see how to do the snowman using these colorful beads. Take one black bead and insert it through one side of the thread and take the other side of the thread and cross this black bead. Join both the ends and you're going to pull. So after crossing this first bead, it looks like this. Next, in one side of the thread, you're going to take two orange beads. You're going to cross these two orange beads using other side of the thread. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, take three orange beads. And you're going to cross these three orange beads through the other end of the thread. So crossing is, we'll be inserting the thread through the beads. It looks like this. Next, you're going to take four orange beads. And you're going to cross all the four orange beads. So after doing them, it looks like this. So next, you're going to take four white beads. Next, you're going to cross all these four white beads. It looks like this. Next, you're going to take one white, one black, one white, one black, and one white. Next, you are going to cross all these four beads. It looks like this. We have done the cap and eyes of the snowman. Next, we are going to do the scarf. For that, I am going to take 5 beads. And you are going to cross all the 5 beads. So it looks like this. Next, you are going to work on this right hand side. You will be taking 4 beads and you will cross 3 beads. You will leave the first bead and you will cross the next 3 beads. You will cross 3 beads through the same thread where we inserted the beads. We will leave the first bead and you are going to cross the other 3 beads. You have to do this one more time by taking 4 beads. You are going to cross 3 beads by leaving the first bead and crossing the next 3 beads through the same thread which we inserted the beads. It looks like this. Next, you are going to take 6 white beads. And you are going to cross all the 6 beads. It looks like this. Next, take 3 white bead, one black and 3 white. Next, you're going to cross all these 7 beads. It looks like this. Next, you're going to take 6 white beads. Next, you're going to cross all these 6 beads. It looks like this. So this is how the snowman ornament looks. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.